Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crab net trap. First, gather your materials. You'll need strong netting, a durable frame, and weights to keep your trap submerged. Make sure your netting has a mesh size appropriate for the crabs you're targeting, often around 1.5 inches. Also, prepare a secure bait holder and some enticing bait. Next, let's construct the trap's frame. You can choose a square or circular design using materials like galvanized wire or even old bike rims. Join the frame sections firmly, perhaps with hog rings or by welding, to create a robust structure. Adding a sturdy bottom ring will provide essential stability and help the trap sit flat on the seafloor. Now it's time to attach the netting. Cut your netting to fit the frame, leaving some excess for flexibility. Securely fasten the netting to all edges of your frame using zip ties or hog rings. Crucially, create an entrance funnel that allows crabs to easily enter but makes it difficult for them to exit. Keep the netting taut to maintain its shape. Finally, add the finishing touches and prepare for deployment. Attach weights such as a 4-ounce pyramid weight to ensure your trap sinks and stays on the bottom. Secure a retrieval rope, at least 15 feet longer than the water's depth, to a clearly marked buoy. Place your bait, like raw chicken or fish heads, in the bait holder. Then, gently lower your trap into a suitable crabbing spot, ensuring it lands flat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.